Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So in today's video we'll be shopping for Jason's Christmas gift. So I know it's not Christmas time, but I didn't get a chance to get Jason's Christmas gift, but me did put down the money one side and said me not touch it. I don't know, Jason did get me the juicer for Christmas, and I just want him to get back something, because really and truly me did intend to get him something. I'm gonna make him choose whatever I want. I know Jason, me know say shoes, so we're gonna go in favorite, or one of his favorite store to get shoes and clothes. So we are about to go into a store, and whatever Jason wants with the budget when we put down one side, then you can get it.
Can't just be one thing enough, be not enough.
No, one thing. I know not enough is one thing. But yeah, me go get him something, because in all fairness, he bought me something and me go buy him back. Even though I know say him, because Jason never did even have it on his mind, and me just said to him no, and say babe, me could just get it out of the way. So plus whatever I get, him can probably use it like for his birthday or something. Even though Jason know the shoes like that, but just to get one shoes, he just start wear it. And I like me when me say me go put it down for wear for that special day. That Jason not do that.
Me have one shoes when I wear special, when I put on for special.
What that?
The brown clocks.
But babe, when you just get it, you never used to pet it up and I say like,
no, I wear one time to test it out. No, the reason why I do it so because you don't want to buy something when you love dear and you never use it till you gone left it.
Yeah, because I miss why teach me that. Jason's mommy she always say use the things them and I put up if he said da, da, da.
And she learn make
yeah, and I learn that make me start just use my things, like even with the bed, if me spread the bed and put on white sheet and mud, and I say babe go in and set him, me not do that again. But just tell him say lay down on your fear one, cause what we are gonna wait for.
Exactly.
Anyways, we are gonna give me some lip balm. I remember using my lip gloss because I ever bother you. So yeah, that's what we are gonna do today.
Okay.
One thing my lip don't go look dry in my video.
No.
You want one gum?
I would love one.
Give please.
You really adamant say me not eat have a sweet
two left. If me never put up my something, you would have done it. This nice.
Let me at least see.
Nice, huh? Alright guys, so let's go. I'm not even coming here good.
No, me just look.
And him start touch.
No, me just look.
So with that, you know, what in here, all American? In Maypen. I always want to see one of them slippers here.
No, you see the push door thing there. Them nice about them thing straight door.
I hope you don't hear me breathe heavy, because just come up some stairs and I'm tired. Ooh. Babe, we are going in here if you ask them if they have this in your size. But I'm sure no one want Jason to forget. But him don't want it. What him there? Sit here in a black. I want him get this in a black.
Everybody say that offense.
It's cute. Alright, baby, can try on one for we? One for the vlog, please.
Well, let me forget to see how boss said, you tell me say. With this one.
You have this in a, what size is this? This is a
But this what size? Oh, what?
7, 8. Give me 8. Size 8. Or 7.5. What size is that?
This is 42.
42?
Size 42.
What 42 would be?
42 would be what? 9.
9? No. Size 7 or 8.
38 and 40.
This is size 42.
The little buggy are cute. Like this. Navy blue.
Oh, this one have a little cloth section there. No, but for really I see them. Man.
You like this? But this one kerchief style one, would I love that for you.
I put myself this right there.
You know, so them here nobody, I never own none of them one here.
Yeah, me this, you know, why that me there call you sure the other day.
I'm sure something I like.
Where they?
Run here, sir.
Mm.
Oh, nice. Oh, sorry. Let's see this, please. I like this, Jay. Like the color here. Anything with the color there.
Mm.
What about that what she have in her hand? And this cute too. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. But I was just like.
Surprise.
This. This one?
Oh guys, when I always ask me, when I get t-shirt, I buy a t-shirt up here so as well. Them quality t-shirt really nice.
Yeah, see me just.
So when I see me in the look a dope t-shirt them, I get some of them up here, just some. Alright, when I see this, I did have on the white to this. I'm not sure if I did wear it in any vlog. I love this. This is cute. I'll probably buy this one. This nice. Turn down. Hold on there, guys.
Alright.
Yeah.
T-shirt.
It's cute. I love this. Oh, see this I have, guys. I have the white. This one. I love the color here. Oh, this nice. But wait, say, cause these days I not wear a t-shirt when I not understand what write on it or what draw on it, the graphics. So this is there's no culture. Wait there, guys. Without. Babe, come help me there. There's no culture without culture. Okay. It's nice. All of them nice. Them here are my type of colors. When I always see one of them color here. That's why my t-shirt them always look the same. Cause I always go for them color there. I'm gonna turn it back up a bit for now. Yeah. So all of my t-shirt them look the same like this. I don't really own much another color here, but them color here, this black, them type of green here, I always have stuff in them there. You like this?
No, so show me this side then.
Okay.
See, I think it's all them are small. What was that? Oh.
Medium.
No, another thing. Jaggers them.
See shorts them there. I love seeing them shorts here, babe. You can consider getting two.
Really?
See them in the corner there.
Yeah, you remember me have on grey shorts for that then, no?
It's still there in my house. You hardly wear it. That color is nice, babe.
Yeah,
take it out, make them see it.
Yeah,
and the pink not bad at all. It's like a nude pink.
They call it the size.
Oh, the size I'm not. What size is this?
Yeah, look. Oh, this is large.
Large. I'm not having a small.
Yeah,
This a This a X, 1X. Them nice and them are nice too. So up here name All American in Maypen, right across from which bank that JN? Jamaica National. Upstairs. They sell nice clothes, hat, nice men's stuff. But if you're a girly who is into t-shirt, oversized t-shirt, you can definitely get them here. So they can come check them out. As my dear telling you earlier, I get some of my t-shirt them up here. We look like we're out of focus. We look better now. I always love to see them shorts here. I have one right now. Perfect? Look little door, but I can't go on.
Fully.
Let me see which short is up on your waist. Okay. Now every time I do my video on a camp, let me show now. I don't know if I can see it. Oh, may I figure go over there and show now. When I do my videos, I normally not show what I have on down here, so. But sometimes I want jeans and sometimes I want something comfy like this. Yeah, the medium. At the medium.
Better?
Yeah. On the medium, guys, yeah. The medium are you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But you're gonna have them color here in a medium? Baby, I want back the burgundy and this color too, don't you?
Yeah, man, if I get the tree.
I'm gonna take 3 of them. I like this. We keep on a look on this one. Here. I love this. This is cute. Let me turn on the light. I don't know how Omega get over me loving t-shirts so much. Oh, and for people who think I wear t-shirt because I hide my belly, no, that is crazy. I been love t-shirt. It's a medium. It's not bad. I love this one, I think. Yellow though, yellow.
Friday.
Today, Thursday, or Friday?
No, man.
This is a regular t-shirt, but it's cute. I love the blue. Not another penny, but at the same brand one I did tell you about, where the material feels so good. I probably should have go buying a t-shirt, because as I said, I come out of my t-shirt era. I taste the cabbage and the cabbage flash up on my jaw and burn me. But I go and rub it with something before they come off. Alright, so I might just go and do what I do and I will get back to you know. You have money to cash them? Do you have money to cash them?
My top look.
So no shirt no there what you so like to fit him. But me not like Psycho Bunny, you know. Guys, you could have tell me so nasty. Watch out baby, remember you have this? How about this? I don't like this. This is Zara medium. Oh, this is nice, babe. May not have the same style. I know you don't like green, so I'm not stuck funny. It's a champion, babe. You're a champion boy, no? Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
How many years that? So your Christmas gift that you choose.
Yeah, make good man, trust me. Thank you so much, babe.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Bye.
But no, you could take the camera and give me that trick like that.
No. Alright, bye.
Alright, later.
Go on. I'm gonna go and show you now what the door look like when I come. See, it's all American brand boutique. I come up the stairs. Go. Good morning, beautiful people. This is a pumpkin. Just I said because probably look like a melon on camera. But good morning, guys. So it's the next day. I never get a chance to pick it up back yesterday because I did got my nail appointment and I did just get so carried away. But good morning, how you guys doing? I got up and I drink some beetroot. Yeah, it's just fresh. Oh yeah, right now it's morning time. I have few stuff to get done today. I want to see what inside of the one here look like. Oh, the pumpkin one I did cook in a Sunday's vlog. I did get a pumpkin out of the yard. And this one as well. Yeah, so we'll go cut into it and see what it's giving. I got a bank. That's a whole day or something. I got a nail tech last night. I don't know if I see it, but this is so cute and girly. Yeah. So it's pink with white and yellow and it's cute and I love it. And it just looks so girly. Ooh. Guys, wanna think? In there go pretty. Ready? Wow. No man. No man, this pretty. This is so pretty. So may I clean it out. Oh, I'm gonna put the pumpkin seed for dry.
Yes, baby. So you turn up a look so far?
Happy too. I'm gonna make 2 sandwich for me and Jason, 2 tuna sandwich. So I'm gonna have tuna, some pepper flake, mayo, onion, sweet pepper, and black pepper. So that's it for breakfast. When we come home, I gotta take out some chicken foot and piece of chicken breast. If I'm alone, I don't put no chicken breast in it, but Jason I eat chicken foot. No, Jason I eat chicken foot, but even if I boil the soup with the chicken foot, he will still drink it. Him just no want no chicken foot in his plate. So I have some chicken foot. True, I never remember why I never take it out from last night. So I go leave it in the sink until I come home. So I drain the water. With some black pepper, some mayo, a little bit of complete seasoning. Alright guys, so I'm ready to leave out the house. Soon talk to you now. So I never did get a chance to pick on a back up when I went on the road. It was a hectic day. I never did I get through with everything when I did leave out for God do. And I did just exhausted. Anyways, when we got home, I put back the chicken foot in the fridge. I never worry about no soup. Jason said I'm gonna make dinner, so that's how I'm did I do here. So I'm gonna encourage him for giving a cooking video because Jason angry himself in the kitchen. Listen, I'm proud of him. Anyways, him did a cook banana and something. I should have recorded everything, but I was really tired. Somebody go lay down, end up fall asleep, wake up and eat my dinner. So let us get into the next day. Good morning, beautiful people. So I just wake up and I'm extremely tired. I feel like I'm in a sleep. Yeah. So what I went on the road to do yesterday, me never get through. So now I have to go back on the road today. And the plan for today was to sleep, get some rest. But that not gonna happen. Now it's after 8, almost 9 o'clock. And normally when I go up on the road go start out things, I wake up already. I'm gone. Them hours gonna catch me in the house when I have things to start out. So now I have no motivation to get up and do nothing because it's almost 9 o'clock. I mean the day not start yet, but in time if I try night lying and them something that I would love to leave out from early. I'm just tired. I just want to sleep. I want to rest. A long time I start one vlog like this either. I'm always up and about. Either I get ready, either in the kitchen. I do something. I might have one breadfruit for roast, but I don't want for ripe. May I roast my breadfruit before I leave out, because I don't want the breadfruit ripe. So I have things to do. So I go jump up and start the day. So see the breadfruit here, it's still firm, so I'm gonna roast it. I did promise myself so I'm not gonna roast back my breadfruit in the house on the stove, but I not have no coal. So I need to get a bag of coal. I'm gonna get that today, definitely today. And me a little girl I grew up, I always see them put like an X in the breadfruit or something. I guess I have to make it soak, don't it? Yeah. So I normally just put a piece of foil paper over the stove where I'm going to roast the breadfruit. So the stove not mess up. So the breadfruit are roast. In the meantime, I go comb my hair. This is the last time I go roast breadfruit on the stove. I need to get a bag of coal. So I go up on the road and see if I can get some coal. So I can use my coal stove. So I want to fry some fish Sunday. So I definitely need the coal. But yeah, that's that. But that's all I do. I just watch it and turn it. And the kitchen window open, so if we're not worried about the smoke, it's good. I could have even bake it, but it's okay. Wish I could have just go back in my bed, go sleep. I don't know if I did mention this too earlier in the video, but a cabbage burn me here, so you know. And it strip off and then it just look dark like this. So I use one cream on it. I can show you the cream I use. We need to write one little this. If you want to go up on the road, we grab them something. I need one bag of coal. I need carrot and Irish and ginger. Write down them there for me there, do.
I send it to your phone.
Text it to me. Carrot.
Yeah.
Ginger. Coal.
As in charcoal?
Yeah. Coal stove coal.
Coal for them.
For use for fry fish and something. Because I have coal, I would have
I have a fry fish.
Pan coal stove.
When?
Probably Sunday.
Okay. Well,
So we have
carrot, ginger, coal.
and Irish scallion and thyme.
Hear this now. Spell scallion.
Escallion.
Spell-
Escallion.
Okay.
Don't play with me, no boy. Don't do it, you know. And thyme, Time. Actually, I'm not saying I can't do it, you know. Guys, I'm just going to come back here. Go look at my breadfruit if I need to turn it. Alright, so we want to test it if it finish. What this mean? Comment in the comment section. Is it done? Or it wants to soak a little bit more? So I'm going to make it stay up on low heat and soak some more. Okay, beautiful people, I am back and this is the cream mama did I telling about. Ooh, come focus something. Yeah, this is it. I'm telling you something I used to fade. Come on, come back. Yeah, what I used to fade the dark spot. Some rub on some already, but I just showing it. So now I go cut into the breadfruit. My camera battery are dead. But yeah, I cut into the breadfruit. The breadfruit finished now. I'm going to eat it hot because I think I fry. I kind of feel like I want it with the butter. The butter feel melt on it. Because I'm tired of everything. I just want different something. Let me change my camera battery and come back. And this is it. It's still hot. It's hot enough, man. Alright guys, so see the breadfruit here.